Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Here today, we'll go into some big crypto news that might pave the way for XRP's future growth. A daring comment by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse concerns Grayscale participation in the company's recently established XRP Trust. We can simplify it. A potential game changer, this XRP Trust is Grayscale. Only yesterday was Grayscale, the industry-leading DAM, here. They took everyone by surprise when they relaunched the XRP Trust, which may be a stepping stone to a future spot ETF application. They accomplished the same thing with Ethereum and Bitcoin. They have serious motivations behind this. They see a potential for profit in this area. Major participants in the cryptocurrency market, such as Grayscale, are stating, you know what, the token is not a security, and we're going to go ahead and list it and trade it, which may drastically alter the situation for XRP investors and the industry as a whole. Also, they aren't sitting on their hands. They have no idea whether the SEC will appeal or continue with the litigation. So, what does that tell you about what other people will do? What is the expected impact of an appeal on the value of XRP? Will our status be delisted? Will we not be a part of the plans for the future? You saw the outcome of this in Grayscale. In that case, they will rely on Judge Torres's just and legitimate ruling. XRP is nothing more than a commodity, my friends. So after this, what comes subsequent? Grayscale's long-term goal of turning the XRP Trust into a spot ETF is the true meat of the matter. Those who are unaware are missing out. Grayscale is laying the groundwork for future launches by converting their faith in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Trust me when I say that they aren't launching these for fun. They intend to employ these private monies in the future, so keep an eye on them. That being said, a major shift would occur if XRP were to be included in the regular market, alongside the spot ETF. That is just incredible. Additional investment funds will be able to flow into this asset as a result. Consider the criticisms leveled against XRP by many involved in the cryptocurrency community. Yes, they do what the law says. The banks are their partners. The fact that it is purpose-built, scalable, and designed for compliance are all qualities that traditional investors would view as strengths. After years of unprecedented XRP crackdowns by the SEC, things have begun to change thanks to recent legal challenges, most notably the decision by Judge Torres. That's a political hot potato. I believe the SEC has exhausted all possible avenues here. Now things aren't always peachy. Any ETF launch would naturally require approval from the SEC. Therefore, SEC must give its approval, regardless of whether the demands are there or whether there is institutional interest in launching these products. In the event that a legal dispute with Ripple is continuing, the most important participant in the XRP ecosystem, sort of. Do you think that will be approved? If we were to participate in the next wave of cryptocurrency assets expected to be legalized in 2025, XRP would likely be among them. Make sure you monitor the situation here. Have we seen an appeal from the SEC, or do they realize they've squeezed every last drop of value out of this ecosystem and that things will only get worse for them if they keep doing what they're doing? We can relax and see how it unfolds. It is my sincere wish that they will not file an appeal, because Judge Torres delivered that unwavering ruling. XR, an item of unadulterated material. We had a good idea going in, and we found what we needed. Now tell me what's crystal obvious that Grayscale's XRP can rely on. Not only is it significant for Ripple, but the whole cryptocurrency industry is taking notice. Since the SEC case, XRP has been a hot subject, and this trust by Grayscale, just serves to solidify the large players' views on XRP. You can see that the XRP ecosystem is just going to get bigger and better by looking at it. Nothing is as simple as trust, or even as promising as trust. This asset is being viewed by institutions in this way. It's important for that. Sitting back here we are now. As we wait for the Federal Reserve to act, a 50 basis point cut seems increasingly likely. The return to full force of fund money, quantitative easing, and the Federal Reserve's games will have a tremendous impact on all cryptocurrency markets. full throttle ahead gimmicks are going to be the driving force behind cryptocurrency adoption. This includes both the use case, where crypto is used as a tool, and the hedging, where crypto is used as a hedge against inflation, weak fiscal policy, and geopolitical risks. In every category, at all times high. Things are looking up for us. Just be careful, is all I'm saying. Admire the distant horizon. Make sure you're ready. When compared to the previous bull run, ripples, basically everything, or nearly everything, pertaining to XRP has improved significantly. As time goes on, XRP's future becomes more promising. It is possible that XRP is poised for meteoric rise due to the convergence of institutional interest from grayscale, a more transparent regulatory environment, and the larger economic background. I think most large cryptocurrencies will do well if they have utility and longevity. I mean, we're currently in a situation that's quite similar to September 2020. I think we're about to have a huge run. There has been a change this time around. Those exchange-traded funds were a boon to Bitcoin and Ethereum. You've witnessed Solana's ascent, and you've noticed some commendable development in this area. The bull market, nevertheless, is supposedly coming to an end, according to some. It has not even begun yet. Like a Christmas tree, this market will soon light up. Additionally, I believe that the true bull run will commence in the fourth quarter of this year. So yet, nothing has been revealed to you. Do you believe that Trust, XRP, and Grayscales will pave the way for an ETF? Is the US going to see an XRP spot ETF? In 2025, do you believe the US will witness the launch of a spot XRP exchange-traded fund? Will the legal battles Ripple has been through finally end? Is it possible to move on from this? Will XRP hit new records, or will the SEC simply give up and be satisfied with their $120 million? I believe we will discover the answers to all of these issues, and we will have to wait a long time. It won't be long now. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.